Pick another dry one. Okay, we're going to do a double card here. Stay right with the light. Doing great. Perfect. Take a dry one. Now we're going to go to a second hyperopic treatment. Take a dry one. Patients had multiple radial incisions, you can see from previous RK surgery, and he's a plano plus 250. His flap has stayed together very nicely. And start getting the speculum in position here. Okay, we're going to start the hyperopic treatment now. That did really well. Typically, after I lift the flap, I ask the patient to try to find the light and then try to identify the Purkinje reflex on the stroma and use that as a reference point. Then I apply the fixation ring and hold that spot steady in the crosshairs of the grid. As a side note, the titanium instruments that we use are typically anodized blue. However, titanium is actually a grayish metal color. When the excimer laser strikes the anodized blue instrument, the instrument becomes discolored gray. Consequently, newer instruments that will be distributed will not be anodized in the area that the laser strikes.